Jackie DeSilva here from Western Massachusetts. In this video, I want to talk about something extremely important. And I'm actually going to be talking about something that I read in the book called The Magic of Thinking Big. In chapter, I believe it's in chapter 5, under how to think and dream creatively. There's something that is extremely important that I want to mention because this is why I'm also part of GIN, the Global Information Network, because no matter what you're doing in life and no matter where you want to succeed in life, it's always best to just continuously surround yourself with people that are very uplifting, positive, and just have great ideas. So on page 122, it says, remember, a mind that feeds only on itself soon is Remember, a mind that feeds only on itself soon is undernourished, becoming a weak and incapable of creative, progressive thought. Stimulation from others is excellent mind food. And for example, I do have to admit that this statement is extremely true because I've had an online mentor named Rob for a good couple years. And every time I get together with him or see him, I'm always picking up something new. And even though I've been following him and I'm really good friends and I message him on Facebook every day, it doesn't matter what he says. It's always putting new creative ideas and thoughts into my mind. And for example, I have to say, he's been really good at basically telling other people what he's doing to find success online as far as online marketing. And one of the things he was talking to me about was, what are you sending your email list? And I told him, and he said, one of the great things you can do is, or what programs are you promoting? And I told him, and he said, what you can do is each Sunday you can send your list about personal development. Each Monday you can send your list about like the instant cash strategy. Every Wednesday or whatever. So like basically I'm rotating whatever I'm promoting. So it's great to just, get ideas from other people because it kind of stimulates your brain and thinking. Also, this is part of my daily routine is reading. Leaders are always readers. And there was something else I wanted to say. So yeah, second, join and participate in at least one group outside your occupational interests. Association with people who have different job interests broadens your thinking and helps you to see the big picture. You'll be surprised how mixing regularly with people outside your occupational area will stimulate your on-the-job thinking. Again, this is why the events, attending the GIN events are extremely important because it doesn't matter who you associate with and talk to there. They're all vibrating on the same energy and level and vibration, and you could be talking to someone, you could be picking up an idea or a thought, and it basically, it helps you grow more as a person associating with these people. And also, so when you are talking to people, we forget easily if we don't write it down. So one of the suggestions is don't let ideas escape. Write them down every day. Lots of good ideas are born only to die quickly because they aren't nailed to paper, which is true. Memory is a weak slave when it comes to preserving and nurturing brand new ideas. And carry a notebook or some small cards with you. And one of the other things is basically just stretching your mind. Again, associating with people that can, stimulate your thinking, your thought, and stretch your mind, get stimulated, associate with people who can help you think of new ideas, new ways of doing things, and mix with people of different occupational and social interests. So again, this is why I love attending the gin events, because of this reason. Because not everyone at the event are doing what I'm doing. They're not all online marketers. They're not doing affiliate marketing. Some are doctors, some are lawyers, some are, I know someone that just joined and she's like a doula, and, they're all doing something different. But when you associate with them, they are all doing one thing, and that is working on themselves as far as personal development. And also, don't let tradition paralyze your mind, and be receptive to new ideas, be experimental, try new approaches, and be progressive in everything you do. I just found that to be extremely powerful in this book, because it is true, and I have experienced that. Again, I've been following the same people or the same person for a couple years now, and it doesn't matter, and I talk to him all the time on Facebook, and when we get together, he's always saying something that I need to hear. Or, because he's still working on himself, and he's still surrounding himself with other like-minded people and those that are above him. And he's still always, attending events and associating with other like-minded people, and not just online marketers, which is powerful. So I'm actually seeing him in a couple weeks at the gin event in Chicago. And again, no matter what he says to me, I'm always picking up new ideas, and, I get suggestions from him, and that's the great part. So basically what this comes down to is also, who do you listen to? And I actually listen to those that have what I want, and have been where I have been, or basically where they have been, and I don't know if that really makes sense. So associating with people that have been where you are, or where you're currently are doing right now. And so yeah, cultivating and fertilizing your idea is extremely important, and just make sure you're continuously growing and making your ideas grow. Think about new ideas and how to basically better yourself every day. So I think that was basically what I wanted to talk about. And also, one of the other things is, ideas are fruits of your thinking, and they have to be harnessed and put to work to have value. And again, if you're not growing, you're dying. So again, leaders are always readers, and I haven't finished this book yet, but it's absolutely amazing. It's called The Magic of Thinking Big, Acquire the Secrets of Success, Achieve Everything You've Always Wanted, Personal Property, Financial Security, Power and Influence, The Ideal Job, Satisfying Relationships, and a Rewarding and Enjoyable Life. So if you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out to me. And if you want to know more with the whole system of what I'm currently doing, and if you want to attend one of the gin events and meet up, let me know, and I'm looking forward to connecting with you soon. Take care.